We begin this week with a clear reminder of what discipline and professional policing looks like. Last Friday, during the Labor Day observance, the Philippine National Police was again tested as to its preparedness. Across the country, 58 rallies were monitored with more than 13,000 participants taking part in various activities. These gatherings were active, visible, and at times challenging, but they were effectively managed. Sa kabuuan, nanatiling maayos at kontrolado ang sitwasyon. There was an isolated incident that led to injuries to some of our personnel. That is something we do not take lightly. But what stands out is how our officers responded with restraint, with composure, and with a firm commitment to keep the peace. Hindi kayo nagpadala sa emosyon, kundi pinili ninyo ang maximum tolerance at professionalismo. And that is the standard we uphold. To those who were on the ground, you have my respect and gratitude. Your actions showed the strength of our organization. What we saw last Labor Day was not just the absence of disorder. It was the result of preparation, coordination, and cooperation between our units, partners, and the public. That is how peace is sustained. Muli, maraming salamat sa inyong sakripisyo. Moving forward, you will notice adjustments with our organization. Let me be clear, this reshuffling is not disruption. It is direction. It is part of strengthening our leadership structure, developing our personnel, and transitions as some of our senior officers will retire. We place people where they are needed most, where they can lead and deliver. I expect everyone to remain focused, adaptable, and committed to the mission regardless of assignment. I would like also to recognize the effort of PRO5 and the rest of our National Support Unit in making sure that the area within Mayon Volcano where the ashfall have occurred during the weekend and the efforts made by our personnel in the rescue, search, rehabilitation, as well as assistance to the community who are in distress. We are preparing for another important responsibility, the 48th ASEAN Summit in Cebu on May 7 to 8. The eyes of our neighbors will be on us, and we will show them that what the Philippine National Police is capable, that is professional, reliable, and ready. Pakita natin ang kahandaan ng bawat isa. Let us execute our duties with precision. Strengthen coordination on the ground and ensure that both our delegates and our communities remain safe. To all our personnel, every week presents new challenges, but it is also give us the opportunity to do, to lead, and to serve better. As we move forward, let us carry the spirit of a bagong PNP para sa bagong Pilipinas.
Serbisyong mabilis, tapat at nararamdaman.